In the vibrant heart of Istanbul rises Hagia Sophia, a world-famous historical monument that has stood for nearly 1,500 years. Originally built in 537 AD by Emperor Justinian, it was the crown jewel of the Byzantine Empire and the largest cathedral on earth for centuries, a true marvel of Byzantine architecture. After the Ottoman conquest in 1453, it became a grand imperial mosque, blending Christian mosaics with majestic Islamic art, making it one of the most unique cultural landmarks in the world. In 1935, under Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, Hagia Sophia transformed into a museum, celebrating Turkey's rich multicultural history. Today, it functions again as a mosque, but remains open to all faiths and backgrounds. A symbol of unity, faith, and power, it's one of the top must-visit places in Turkey. Hagia Sophia isn't just a building. It's a living story of empire, religions, and the soul of Istanbul.